So hello student, today we will be seeing organic chemistry few conversions. So first is convert carbon and hydrogen to toluene. So if we take carbon and hydrogen and pass through electric arc, then it forms acetylene. Acetylene, when it is passed through a red hot iron tube at 873 Kelvin, it trimerizes to form benzene. Benzene is treated with CH3Cl anhydrous AlCl3. This reaction is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So benzene is treated with chloromethane in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 as catalyst. It forms toluene. So we started with carbon and hydrogen, ultimately getting toluene. So carbon and hydrogen is passed through electric arc to form ethyne or acetylene. Ethyne, when treated with red hot iron tube, undergo trimerization to form benzene. Benzene undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation to form toluene. So this way we can convert carbon and hydrogen to toluene. Next is convert calcium carbide to oxalic acid. Calcium carbide is C2. When it is treated with water, we get acetylene, C2H2. Acetylene, when treated with alkaline KMnO4. Alkaline KMnO4 is a strong oxidizing agent. So it will form oxalic acid, COOH. So this is oxalic acid. This is ethyne. So when calcium carbide is treated with water, it forms ethyne, which when treated with alkaline KMnO4 forms oxalic acid. This way we can convert calcium carbide to oxalic acid. Next is convert ethyne to meta-nitrotoluene. So first what we have to do, we have to take ethyne. Ethyne first it has to be treated with red hot, pass through red hot iron tube. It forms benzene. Now benzene is treated with conc HNO3, conc H2SO4. So benzene is treated with conc HNO3 H2SO4. It forms nitrobenzene. As we know, nitro group is meta-directing in nature. So now it undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. CH3Cl anhydrous AlCl3. So it forms meta-nitrotoluene. Next is convert benzene to meta-nitrobenzoic acid. So what you have to do first you have to take benzene and then you have to convert this benzene to toluene, CH3Cl anhydrous AlCl3. So this become toluene. Now toluene is oxidized in presence of KMnO4 KOH, heated and then treated with H3O plus. It will give benzoic acid. It will give benzoic acid. Now this benzoic acid undergoes nitration, conc HNO3, conc H2SO4. So it forms meta-nitrobenzoic acid because the COOH group is a meta-directing group. So a nitro group comes at the meta position, so it becomes meta-nitrobenzoic acid. So we started with benzene, then we converted into toluene by treating with methyl chloride anhydrous AlCl3, that is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Oxidation of toluene gives in acidic medium benzoic acid. Benzoic acid undergo nitration to form meta-nitrobenzoic acid. Next question is convert ethyne to ethanoic acid. So ethyne we will treat with HgSO4, H2SO4 in presence of water. We will get CH3CHO. Ethanol, oxidation of ethanol, KMnO4H plus in acidic medium will give ethanoic acid. So this way we will carry out the given conversion. So ethyne react with HgSO4, H2SO4. This reaction happens at 333 Kelvin. This is ethyne. So ethyne forms ethanol. Ethanol is oxidized to give ethanoic acid. Thank you, student. We will see some more conversion in my next video.